Have you ever wondered what happens when a mountain erupts with glowing molten rock? That's a volcano in action. Beneath the surface, intense heat melts rock into magma. When enough pressure builds, the magma escapes as bright lava. This flowing lava can create new land and even islands. On Mars, Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Everest, the solar system's giant volcano. Follow for more fascinating science facts.